Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to give your emails a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to change the background color in Mailchimp so your campaigns really pop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform a basic email into something eye-catching and tailored to your brand's personality. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Mailchimp in your web browser and log into your account. Take a second to make sure you're logged into the right workspace if you're managing more than one. Mailchimp is your headquarters for all things email marketing, so once you're in, you'll see the familiar dashboard with all your marketing tools laid out. This is where the magic happens. Next up, you'll want to find and select campaigns from the main menu. This is where all your email drafts and past campaigns live. It's kind of like your personal filing cabinet for all your emails. If you don't see your campaign right away, remember you might need to scroll down or use the search bar, especially if you've sent out quite a few newsletters or promos in the past. Once you've got your list of campaigns in front of you, pick the design you want to edit. Maybe it's your latest newsletter, a product update, or even a special announcement. Click on it to open the design editor. If you're starting from scratch, you can also just start a new campaign with a template. The process is the same. Now I have a sample design already set up here in Mailchimp, just so you can see exactly how this works. When you're viewing your email draft, you'll notice that Mailchimp divides your email into different sections: headers, body content, footers, and so on. We're going to focus on changing the background color for a specific section, but you can repeat these steps for other sections if you want a more customized look. Next, find the section you'd like to update and simply click on the background area of that section. Sometimes you may need to hover or click near the edges to select the right zone, so don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. After you click, look for the menu or panel that appears on the right-hand side. There should be an option labeled Section Background. This is what controls the look and feel of that part of your email. Go ahead and click on Section Background. This will bring up color options for you to play with. Now click on Background Color. Mailchimp usually provides a color picker tool here, so you can choose any color you'd like, whether you want a soft pastel, a bold primary color, or something that perfectly matches your brand's palette. If you have brand-specific colors, you can even enter the exact hex code. Once you've chosen your color, you'll see your changes reflected instantly in the email preview. Take a moment to consider how the text looks against the new background. You want to make sure there's enough contrast for easy reading. Visualize how it'll look not just on desktop but on mobile devices as well, since a lot of people read emails on their phones these days. And that's it truly, your new background color is set. If you want to experiment, feel free to try out a few different colors until you find one that feels just right. Don't stress if it takes a couple of tries. Mailchimp lets you test as much as you need. So there you have it, a quick and simple way to make your Mailchimp emails stand out with customized backgrounds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.